Hi guys, this is Mrs. Tucker again. This is lesson 7-8. I think this is the last lesson in the chapter. It's called Special Products of Binomials. So let's take a look here. We're going to find special products of binomials. Here's your vocabulary: perfect square trinomial and difference of two squares. Imagine a square with sides of length a plus b. This is a square. This length is a plus b, and this length is a plus b. Doesn't that kind of look like the algebra tiles we were using? The way they've got this set up, where this box right here, if you take the area of this box, it has a length of a and a width of a, so the area of this box is a squared. This rectangle has a length of a and a width of b, so its area is ab. Oh, and by the way, someone asked me last class period, it was a good question, if this has an area of AB, shouldn't this one be BA?
Yes.
But commutative property of multiplication says it doesn't matter what order you multiply in, you still get the same answer. We've been putting all of our answers in alphabetical order so that you can see like terms. So go ahead, BA, switch that around, put it in alphabetical order, and call it AB. This little square right here has side lengths of b and b, that's b squared. The area of this square, well, what they're saying is if you're taking this and multiplying it by the same length, isn't that the same as the quantity a plus b being squared?
Yes.
Okay. The area of this square can also be found by adding the areas of the smaller squares and the rectangles inside. The sum of the areas is a squared plus ab plus ab plus b squared. What happens when you combine these two terms here? Yeah, you get 2ab. So your final answer is going to be a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Would you get that if you used FOIL? Here's a squared. Here's ab plus another ab, which gives you 2ab. Last two terms gives you the b squared. This means that the quantity a plus b being squared gives you a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. You can use FOIL method to verify this. A trinomial of the form a squared plus 2ab plus b squared is called a perfect square trinomial. A perfect square trinomial is a trinomial that is the result of squaring a binomial. I'm going to stop the video here so you can put this in your notes. Okay. I want you to multiply the quantity x plus 3 being squared. Isn't that the same as asking you to do this? Yes? Okay, now we're going to use FOIL. What happens when you multiply your front two terms?
X squared.
Outside two terms?
X.
3x. Inside two terms?
3x.
Outside, or your last two terms, I'm sorry.
9.
Combining like terms in the center?
6x. Or x squared plus 6x plus 9. That's your answer.
What I want you to notice, isn't this guy right here, that guy squared? Isn't this guy right here, this guy squared?
Yes.
Okay. How do you get this out of all of this mess here?
You FOIL.
Yeah, FOIL.
You
I give you a hint.
you multiply 3. Or no. Take your time. You square